Hey, hi. In this video, we're going to see the result that I got when I tried to restore an image. The old image, it looks like this. Okay. So I wanted to restore it. I'm going to show you the results that I got by using Grok. I tried using Grok. I also used Gemini, and I also used ChatGPT. So we're going to see the most accurate AI that brought out the best results and the best quality. Okay. Now, a simple prompt that you can use. I used restore. I just attach an image, the old image. Then I type here like restore image. So ChatGPT gave me this. We're going to really judge it between other AIs. Gemini, I did the same thing. I used the same image and the same prompt, and it gave me this. We're going to see what really actually is better than others. Then I used Grok, and I say the same thing, restore the image, and I got this. Okay. Now, simple thing that you can do is prompt you can just use a restore the image. That can really work for you good. Okay. So the original image looks like this. Okay, it's a kind of a small picture. So the faces are not really being seen well. Like I think this is a girl. These are two girls. This is a boy. They are free. I think the guys behind they are kind of adults. Okay. They're kind of smiling. So we're gonna see which AI kind of try to bring to kind of reconstruct the image well. Okay. Now let me go to where I exported this. Okay. Now when we used let me start with ChatGPT. When I used ChatGPT, these are the results that I got. This adult at last, I think, was captured well, a bit well, though his face, his smile is slightly a bit off topic, I think, but slightly. Then this second adult, I think, the nose is a bit sharper than what is in the old image. Remember, we don't want to change anything in the image. We don't want to change how people look. So that is crucial. Okay, in the restoration process, we're trying to make sure everything looks the same. Then the third person here, the smile looks to be fine, the nose looks to be fine, and I think the eyes and the ear, I think this one may not really have a problem. Now, this boy here doesn't look to be, in the original picture, doesn't look to be smiling. Here I'm seeing as a smile. The hair was captured well, the eyes, somehow. Then this girl here, I think it may not really be smiling. His teeth may not be out, but here I see they're out. The nose, the eyes, slightly, the eyes actually, I think, missed out a bit. His dress and everything, I think, is fine. Then this little girl, I think it's okay. It's okay. The smile, the face was kind of reconstructed. Okay. So yeah, ChatGPT kind of, we can say, we can give it like maybe you can give it like 80 marks. Okay. So let's go to Grok. All right. I exported the two images for Grok because Grok gave me actually two results, and I decided maybe let me share with them to you. So let me first cross all these guys out. So Grok, this gave me this. This really looked really cool. I really loved what I saw. But let's try to look at this. The first adult here, his face here, I think, almost the same, but the hair, I think it's off topic. The smile, I think, is also off topic a bit. The second adult here, the head kind of changed. The head here in the original picture looks a bit bigger than what I see here. The smile is a bit off, and the nose. Then the third adult, I think, is totally off topic. He has a bigger head, and then this kid here, I think, is more of looking this side. His posture kind of changed. is kind of slightly looking at the girl here. His eyes are like pointing that side, not really pointing this side. So I really think Grok really made the perfect quality, but a lot like it made changes in the overall picture, which I really don't want. I really don't want to change the posture. I just want to restore an image as cleaner as possible. Then this girl, the head, she looks neat, but everything was missed out. I think the hair changed, the eyes changed. This is not the same girl that I think is in the original picture. Okay, then this little girl here in Brook is actually a boy, but I think it was a girl actually. This was a girl. They gave him a good suit and good trousers, which is actually not true in the original image. So for Grook, I think it's really looks smart. It's the smartest, but it's they change the details, which is you know. So judging by another image, second again Grook. Okay, here the image, the smile kind of changed a bit. The hair, I think it's on that same hair. The second guy, the head really changed. This one, this time, is made to be younger. He's not young. This is a girl, yeah. Now in this image, the second image, this is a girl, yeah. The smile is a bit like that. The nose, the eyes. I think this one is a bit okay. This one, I think the smile is okay. Maybe I think when this one's okay. This time the guy is not smiling, okay, and he's not looking directly to the side. I think this is a bit fair, but the problem is the adults now, they kind of a bit off topic, okay? So ChatGPT, if you're giving ChatGPT like maybe like give it like 70, this one I feel can give it like 65, 60 because the fear comes from the characters kind of change in the other image. Okay, this young adult, the third year, the last on the right is completely different from this one, and it's not even smiling. So we can't say this is the restored image if the characters, if the people look different. So Brook is off. Then finally, Gemini. Gemini gave me two pictures, and I saved two pictures. Reason being is the first one, it didn't do enhancements. It just removed, those old carvings. Sorry, those old rusty stuff, and all those crosses. So I generated two pictures so that I can see. So picture number. Okay, let me start with this. The first image which I got was like this. Okay. So what Gemini did was it just removed this raster stuff and these broken, patches, and so it cleaned the picture out, but it didn't really change the details. Even capture like something which is on the leg of this girl, which is missing in all the pictures, and I can see it here. It really didn't actually change everything. The face, the issue with this is the face was not restored well, so you can't really tell who this boy was. So I kind of did a refresh in Google. Here you just do a refresh, redo. Sorry, I did a redo. So Gemini gave me a second image, and it's this one. So in this one, it kind of improved the faces. It tried to zoom out in the faces. The last guy here and here, I think they look the same. That is okay. His face is actually much. Seeing the eyes and the smile, the teeth is like exactly the teeth in the old picture. I love that. I really feel like looking at these pictures really look the same. This guy behind really looks like this guy. The head, the smile, I couldn't really believe it. Then this behind adult, his smile was captured, the nose, the eyes, the hair. I don't have any complaint with the people who are behind. Then in front, the girl, The girl's smile, yeah, is kind of smiling. Teeth are not so exposed, but you could, okay, you could see, really, I'm really impressed. Okay, it captured the hair, the eyes. It's tried to really, zoom, trying to improve his eye gesture, the teeth, the nose, the shoes, these, Then the second girl, it's okay. Maybe the second girl, the smile is kind slightly, very slightly, but otherwise all. Then this guy, I have a feeling he was not really laughing. So I love this. He was not really opening his mouth, so I can see it tried to capture him. So this, I believe, I can say this is almost like a 90%. Okay, it may not be too perfect, but generally, when I see photo restoration, I think in my case, Gemini did. Actually, this is Nano Banana. Google is using Nano Banana, and it's something which I really find very impressive. Okay. So that's what I can say about photo restoration. And oh my gosh, okay, let me cross this guy. So that's what I can say about photo restoration. Let me know how it went well. But when it comes to restoration, I think I can go with Gemini. Okay, Gemini, and this is Nano Banana. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye bye.